Hey, I think I got a grounder right outside of Halifax Harbor here. I'm approaching them now. I'll call you when I find out what's going on. They just flagged me down. Okay, bye. Yeah, it looks like 1.5 feet here. Are you guys towboat members?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right. I'm going to give you a number to call here real quick. Let me get it directly to our office. Hang on.
He's here. Is he backing off?
No, here's what we're going to do. Let me just get temporarily tied up here.
What does it matter?
Thank you so much. She just sent the information. So
Okay.
You should have it. Okay.
All right. So what we're going to do, there's two possibilities here. Going this way, it's like, until you get to the channel, it's like 1 foot. There's like an unmarked channel in here. We can either go up that way, and then before we get to the bridge, just before the bridge, we turn and come out. Or we can try going back this way.
Well, we came in from those docks over there. We actually just left those docks right there with the pond dock. And we had an engine conk out. We're having water in our system. So
Okay.
we dropped the hook right here in 7 feet of water.
Hey. Okay, sounds good. Bye. So I think the best thing, we'll go
Personal
back this
hotspot
way.
is now
So
I don't have to fight with you there. Because
do you still only have one engine, or?
No, we had both engines running. We stopped to change the fuel filter.
Gotcha. Okay.
So we're running back up and running again. Like I said, we just came in here as a slow idle. They were still putting the tackle away.
Okay. So what we'll do? Did you come between these two boats?
No, we came down. We went around the boat, came up to here, and anchored right there, and then came this direction.
All right.
And I had 7.5 feet of water in front of that boat.
So
there.
you came in on this side of those two boats?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is once I get you loose, I'll continue to pull real slow, get your engines running, check your engines and your steering, and then once.
And I want to go down and check my sea strainers too.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
Okay, walk these forward.
You're gonna spin me?
Yes. So I'm going to try. I don't want to pull.
You don't want to pull it backwards?
It could damage your rudders, and that's.
So we're gonna pull through it then?
Well, I'm going to basically go this way, spin you around, and go that way. That's what I'm going to try.
All right.
Okay. Lay. There's one cleat. Go underneath the bow rail, the center by the anchor. Not by. Yeah. Okay. I guess you're good there. That's good.
You know this more than I know, but my thought is we were going really slow. I'd almost just take her straight back off.
I can try it, but
I mean, I wasn't moving very fast.
just remember that. But as we back up, it's going to be whatever mud is there is going to be pivoting against your rudders.
Okay. Well, wouldn't it do the same thing going this way?
Well, no, because the rudder, it's acting as though you're moving forward.
So, should I turn the rudder with you?
Just leave them straight.
All right.
Leave them straight.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, you know this more than we do. I don't tow. Well, I don't tow.
What was the depth? What depth did you find out front there?
It actually gets to 5 feet, like right over here.
Okay, because my draft is about 3 feet.
Okay.
Hopefully one day you'll be laughing about it.
You know, go ahead and start your engines. Okay, drop the other line. Just drop it. Hi.
Save the day.
All right, I'm going to do what's called a hip toe.
Yep.
Lay,
I'm doing it with this thing.
huh? Yeah. Lay that.
Yeah.
Lay that loop over that cleat. So she'd stop running, or
No, I've got a new motor in it, and then it's.
no? Just lay it over. Don't loop it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just lay it over. Okay.
No, I sucked up silt, and the raw water pump's
Oh.
clogged now again. literally just put a new motor in it.
Oh.
And the last one we got burnt out in New Smyrna. I'm done with this area.
Yeah.
Not the area for a deep V powerboat. Do you see any deep V powerboats here?
Yeah, once in a while. I can use that. This green one right here. There we go.
This is like 5 foot.
What's that?
This area.
Right here it's 4.7.
That's exactly it. Do you ever do the Cape Canaveral area?
That's worse.
It's worse.
I hate that
They say
area.
it's 40 foot.
Yeah, maybe in the channel.
Yeah.
But once you get out of the channel, it's like 2 feet.
Oh, you kidding?
No.
So you got to go all the way towards West Palm then, or something like that.
Yeah. Well, if you know this, if you get down,
Cocoa. How about Cocoa Beach?
it's about the same. If you get down south of here,
Yeah.
I mean the channels are narrow down towards Ponce Inlet, but they're deep. I mean,
Sucked up crap in New Smyrna down there.
do me a favor.
I sucked up crap. That's where we were. Ponce Inlet. I sucked up all that crap.
Lay this one over the same cleat there.
So in the channel in Cape Canaveral, which is a big channel, to Cocoa is pretty deep, isn't it?
I don't know that area as well.
Yeah.
You're not anchored, are you? Okay. So when we get, I've only been into that ramp once before. When we get in there, whichever side, if the wind carries me into the dock, I'll go in and then we'll just walk your boat forward. If I can get you on the dock, then...
Yeah, let's go to that.
Okay.
It's a little ramp. I've never super small ramp.
Yeah, when you call, I just ungrounded these people.
This isn't the water for the ship. You need it outboard. The only thing is in this water is outboard.
Yeah. Is there only one ramp in here or two?
was launching, there was another guy next to me that was launching. Same chance. So it's big enough.
I'm thinking this guy's going to go in ahead of us here and probably block us.
There's a range right there on the right where they did that stairwell is. You see that ramp? And then there's one far left all the way out.
Okay.
Far left one's probably the bigger.
I got you.
The smaller one, the other one. That ramp is actually bigger. The first one was bigger, actually.
Yeah. Well, it looks like he's going to the dock, so I'm just going to pull right in.
Yeah.
We get priority. Do you have any lines over on that ropes?
I have to. Yeah.
All right, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my boat up against this dock right here.